Imagine this tiny device, a Geiger counter, clicking randomly as atoms decay inside it. Quantum mechanics tells us that until we look at it, those atoms are in a bizarre state, both decayed and not decayed at the same time. But here's the wild part. What if it's not the device that decides the outcome, but you? For nearly a century, physicists have debated what collapses a quantum superposition into reality. Today, I'll share experiments suggesting an answer so radical it could rewrite our place in the universe. Consciousness itself might be the trigger. Quantum mechanics works flawlessly. It powers your phone, your MRI, even the sun. But there's a catch. The math says particles exist in multiple states until measured. The question is, what counts as a measurement? Is it a photon hitting a detector, a computer recording data, or the moment you see the result? In 1932, John von Neumann dared to say, consciousness is the boundary. No physical system can collapse the wave function, only a mind can. But how do you test that? My team turned to psychology. We used a tool called subliminal priming, where flashing a word too fast to see still influences your reactions. Here's the twist. We tied the primes to a quantum process, radioactive decay. Half the primes were observed by a person, half weren't. If von Neumann was right, the unobserved primes should still be in superposition, meaning no priming effect. That's exactly what we found. Across 42201 trials, the odds this happened by chance were 1 in a million. The unobserved primes weren't just hidden, they were undefined. Reality seemed to wait for a conscious observer. If this holds, the implications are staggering for science. Physics can't ignore consciousness anymore. The observer isn't passive, it's essential for you. Your mind isn't just a bystander. It might play a role in shaping reality at the quantum level. For philosophy, idealism, the idea that reality is mental, just got a major boost. Of course, skeptics say maybe there's another explanation. And they're right. That's how science works. But if we're proven correct, we might be discovering that the universe is far stranger, far more alive than we ever imagined. So next time you look at the stars, ask yourself, are they really there when no one's watching? The answer might not just redefine physics, it might redefine you. Thank you. What if your mind doesn't just perceive reality, but actually creates it? At Prodigal Academy, we're pioneering a new conversation between science and consciousness. Join our global community of researchers, seekers, and visionaries as we explore the most exciting frontier of all, the power of human awareness to shape existence itself. This isn't just theory, it's the foundation of our transformational programs. Visit prodigalacademy.com and discover how to become an active participant in the unfolding of reality. The quantum revolution begins within.